Hello everyone, this is Anand Krishnan here from Tarmac Aerospace and Defense, Tarmac 007. I am coming to you today with a very specific purpose, coming to individuals and institutions who would want to join our missions ahead. In other words, we need support. So a lot of people think that whatever we get on Tarmac is with the support of a lot of others. In fact, I must tell you that we get no support. Whatever we have done so far, it's all out of our individual passion, out of our hard work, and with zero monetary angles. So we get no monetary benefits, nothing, no commercial angles involved. Nirmati Productions, which I have been getting associated with the last couple of years, whether it is for the missions of Inspired Indian Foundation or the Tarmac talking and other aerospace and defense episodes, what you are seeing, they are a separate entity doing a lot of sports related shoots and other commercial activities. Because they are all supporters of Guru Kalam, they have been backing my missions without taking any remuneration. But I thought now probably it is an injustice if we don't even think about our survival modes. And most of you people who follow me know that ever since 2015, 14 onwards rather, I am in an independent mode. So independent journalism has got its own challenges. So Aage Rasta, to move ahead with our missions, with a lot of inspiring stuff that we are planning from India's aerospace and defense sector, we would definitely need the support of like-minded Indians and Indian companies. I'm underlining Indian and Indian companies. So it is with this request I come to you today. We are now open to getting sponsorship from individuals who are capable of supporting, who would want to support such programs what we bring in. We are also open for sponsorship from Indian firms who would want to get associated with these inspiring missions. As of now, this thought has really garnered a lot of energy. A lot of people also, our mentors also have advised us, we must get into the survival mode because, nothing comes free in this world, isn't it? And it's very tough post-pandemic. So at least to take care of the cost of these equipment, hiring studios for editing, hiring cameramen and also other associated things, travel, the logistics, the stay, khana, all those things need money. And let me tell you, nobody helps. So now we want to change the scenario and we wanted to ensure that everybody who are associated with this also need to benefit and they also need to take care of themselves. So in case if you are inspired and impressed and confident that we are doing work that is different, then kindly do join hands with us and do support us. You can write to me at ananta.ak@gmail.com or send me a WhatsApp message on 7899778888. And from there on, we will take the idea forward. I hope all of you understand the significance of what I have said. Thank you for your patronage. Thank you for your support so far in terms of encouraging us. We will continue these kind of inspirational work, spreading the essence of India's aerospace and defense sector, bringing to you stories of unsung heroes and superheroes of India's aerospace defense. Thank you for watching Tarmac 007, Tarmac Aerospace and Defense. We'll continue our good work to inspire you along with your support henceforth. Thank you. Jai Hind.